I've always loved the ocean, and that love intensified when I started surfing. Floating in her vastness is very humbling, especially being Polynesian. My ancestors were voyagers, and the ocean always reminds us of who we are and where we came from. She connects us no matter the distance. I feel so much joy and at peace when I'm surfing, and I believe it's because it's in my blood. They say water retains memory, and that theory sits powerfully with me, solely because of the pure happiness and pride I feel, paddling out into the waves of my ancestors, embracing and inviting me in, welcoming me back home.